Residents around the vicinity of Daveyton train station say they encounter a significant crime as criminals use the abandoned train station as a place to hang out.
Mina esimhlali wala iPhalaBusha njengoba itrain inje ene i-stations ihlale eduze ne-station angekho safe these days, angisekho safe ngoba i-taxi rank isekude. Ekseni manje taxi rank angifiki safe. Ntambama mangibuya angifiki safe. Njengoba kunjena lana kuhlala abantu abafika ebusuku kuphela, emini abekho, abaziwa. Basuka emakhayeni wabo bazohlala. Bahlalele kusibamba inkunzi masendlula. Manje ngaleyo ndlela ngathi angekho safe. Khami phezulu. Njengoba kuhlala abantu abangaziwa phezulu kakhulu. I-train ayisahambi, akusana abantu abaphithiselayo. Kuye station nekuye ekhaya kanjalo nama-taxi abemaningi lana ahlala khona. Akusekho right vele.
The once thriving Daveyton train station, a daily commuting hub for thousands in Ekurhuleni, has been abandoned and now serves as a hotspot for criminal activity and dumping ground for waste. As taxi fares are set to hike on May 18, 2026, according to an announcement by the Benoni Taxi Association, local residents have voiced that functional train services would be a boon for commuters facing financial strains.
Njengoba nibona nodoti nje impilo yakhona inzima kakhulu ngoba ngiyacabanga ukuthi ubi-stage besisesekhona ngaba akekho umuntu olahlela nodoti la ene lokho kwenza ukuthi nabantu abasibamba inkunzi bagcine sebehlala lana. Kunzima ukuhamba lana masibuye emisebenzini ebusuku nasekuseni ngabo-4 akuhambeki. Kumele at least mawuzophuma abo-4 ngathi ungathola umuntu ozohambisana naye ngoba nibona nje nala kune open space. Kunzima uthi uphuma lapha uzofika la uthola umuntu usekakulinde lana. Abantu uzothi bamemeza umuntu usekaqedile ngawo. Siyacela ukuthi i-station masingabuya silungiswe ama-train ahambe. Ezine transport sesibona ukuthi sekunzima. Transport ikhuphukile nayo kakhulu.
Therefore, pleading with the government to take decisive action to restore the rail station. An ex-street vendor who sold goods on the train shares the impact of losing his role as a primary breadwinner in his family.
So as umuntu othengisa phakathi kwetrain uma usubona kunje la ikuzizwa kanjani and kuka-affect kangakanani ukuthi i-train ingasa operate la eDaveyton station?
Njengoba uthi affect kangakanani ayikakhulu mfowethu because angisenasithunzi yabo nokudeleleka sengiyadeleka yabo yiloko ngaffectekile ndoda. It's just akwanye ukubona ngaphakathi yabo ngabe ngikhona bengizobonisa nje ukuthi affect kangakanani yabo
njengomndeni njengoba ngokuthengisa la usabenefita yebo benefita kakhulu umndeni.
Ndoda ngisho manje aloka kusa le ukuphukusha ukuthi moshe yonke into because ma esengikhuluma ngama-factor are-dangerous because uyazi ukuthi abantu babomama badepende ku-endodeni mawungalethi ukudla endlini kuyamosheka yabo i-trust iyaphela yabo and mawungekho trust kugcina sekuba nama-divorce understand yabo manje yiyo nje ngi-affecteka because I know the same sesekhona bengihlala nomfazi nabantwana mara sebakhulile abantu sebaqedile isikole sebabantwana yabo mara manje wathi kuphela itrain kwamosheka kwathi kwaba ne-divorce nga-accepta because akusiyimi yisethi ile way kwenzeke ngakhona yabo.
Despite repeated promises from PRASA to restore the station, residents claim that leaving it unattended poses a significant threat to their lives due to the influx of criminals. The situation has become dire, with authorities being targeted, including a brutal attack on 5 crime wardens in September 2025.